Every single money goal you've ever set, your brain was designed to destroy it. Saving more, spending less, investing. You've said it, you've failed it, over and over, and you blamed yourself. But here's what nobody tells you. It's not a willpower problem, it's a brain problem. I'm going to show you 3 traps and 3 fixes. Stay with me. Brain trap number 1. Present bias. Your brain values right now 10 times more than any future reward. Scientists call it hyperbolic discounting. Sid calls it why I eat the entire pizza now instead of saving half. For 200,000 years, your ancestor who grabbed food now survived. The one who planned for next winter didn't always make it. Instant reward was survival. But here's the cost in 2026. $200 not invested this month, compounded for 30 years at 7%, is $1,500 gone per month of hesitation. Every "I'll start next month" is costing you more than you think. Trap 2. Lifestyle inflation. You got a raise, so you upgraded your apartment, your car, your subscriptions. The raise was $500 a month. The new apartment costs $400 more. The car payment is $200 more. You're $100 in the hole from a raise. In 1972, psychologists discovered the hedonic treadmill. That new apartment becomes your new normal in 3 months. The excitement fades. You want more. It never stops. Princeton studied this. After $75,000 a year, more money doesn't make you happier day to day, but lifestyle inflation keeps going forever. The upgrade is real. The satisfaction is temporary. The bill is permanent. Trap 3. Social comparison. You buy things you don't need with money you don't have to impress people who don't care about you. Your neighbor got a new car. Your coworker posted Cancun. Your feed is everyone's highlight reel without showing the debt behind it. So you spend to keep up, except everyone is doing the same thing. It's a race with no finish line and no winner. Real wealth is invisible. It's the money you didn't spend. The millionaire next door drives a 10-year-old car. The guy in the new SUV is statistically closer to broke. 3 traps, all running automatically, all the time. And here's the thing, you cannot beat them with discipline. Willpower runs out. The traps don't, but you can make them irrelevant. The fix doesn't require more motivation. It requires removing your brain from the equation entirely. Here's how. Fix 1. Pay yourself first. The second your paycheck arrives, money moves automatically to savings and investments. Before you see it, before you want it, before your brain can say no. You cannot spend what you never see. Set the transfer. Walk away. Done. Fix 2. The raise rule. Write this down. Any raise you get, 50% goes to investments, 50% to lifestyle. Written rule. No decision in the moment. Your future self already made this deal. Over 10 years, someone who follows the raise rule ends up with 3 times more wealth than someone who doesn't. Same salary, different rule. Fix 3. Protect your environment. Unfollow the triggers. Cancel the promo emails. Remove one-click buy. Your brain follows the path of least resistance, so build a path that leads somewhere good. Make the right thing the easiest thing. Automate it once. Let it run. Then go take a nap. 3 traps, 3 fixes. Present bias, automate. Lifestyle inflation, raise rule. Social comparison, protect your environment. That's it. That's the whole game. You're not broken. You're just running a 200,000-year-old brain in a 2026 world. Give it the right system, and it works for you, not against you. Subscribe, because next video I'm showing you the exact accounts, apps, and auto transfers Sid uses. The full setup. 45 minutes to build, runs forever. If this helped, subscribe. That's the trade. Deal?